Hello and welcome to my channel, The Day Tradestor. On this channel, I make videos every day of my daily stock trading activity. The specific strategy I use in these videos is a swing trading strategy of my long-term held stocks. And every day I check my list to see if any short-term swing indicators have been triggered by price action. And I chose this specific strategy for the videos because this is the easiest strategy to follow if you're thinking about entering the markets. So I have 135 stocks that I plan on holding for quite a few years. But in the short term, we want to be able to capture the profits as the price of our stocks go up and down, either daily or weekly or even monthly. So as prices move up or down in either direction, a predetermined amount, my indicators will pick that up, and I will be alerted that it's time to either buy or sell a specific equity, depending on the direction of movement and the price and how much it moved. All right, so once we have our list of stocks that were activated by triggers, the first thing we do is sell. We want to sell all of the equities that we can so we have money to be able to make all the purchases that we're able to make. All right, so we've got 12 stocks that we can actually sell, and we've got 13 that we might be able to purchase. And I say might be able to purchase because we've got one stock, AutoZone, which is a $3,000 stock, and we'll save that for last once we get to the purchase side. So AVGO, that is a Broadcom, and it's nice to have been able to sell that because Broadcom actually had a 10-for-1 stock split, and they sort of went down back in July of this year. They had the 10-for-1 stock split, and they really it's just nice to see them start climbing again. I wish I could tell you more of what Broadcom is or does. I haven't spent a lot of time learning about all the businesses that I own stocks on. The majority of my time has just been trying to figure out how to create a strategy that actually works and is successful on a daily basis. The most important thing for me when I started this strategy was to try to identify which stocks are going to make my list of 135. And even though it's 135, I had no idea how big the list would be once I started. I just knew I had to have as many stocks as possible to spread my money out thin and not have it all in 10 or 12 stocks. So after hundreds of hours of research going into looking at like what, of course, professional investors like Warren Buffett and Cathie Wood, Bill Ackman and Ray Dalio. I tried to find lists of stocks that were managed by Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley. And also, my brain moves faster than my mouth. Sorry about that. Also going online and looking up, just asking Google, just asking Yahoo, going on Reddit and seeing what their top 100 stocks might be, or the top stocks of the next 25 years or the 10 years. So after compiling multiple lists, I went through and I tried to whittle down as best as I could what companies with what meager knowledge I had that what might last for the next 5 or 10 years, what companies might be around 5 or 10 years. I also wanted to make sure that most of the stocks I had were on the S&P 500. I'm not looking to find some small company somewhere that might be expected to have some massive growth over the next 15 years. Right now, I just want to learn a system with reputable companies and consistent companies that fluctuate from a daily basis, but nothing to any degree that will make me lose 50% of my portfolio or 50% of my value of that particular stock in any given day or week. So we only have 3 more sales to make. As you can see, once you have your list, it actually doesn't take long. So if you are thinking about getting into the markets and you are thinking about following me, it doesn't take long. Come home from work, click on the video, with the full knowledge that I'm not an expert. I'm just an average Joe out here trying to make a little bit of money every day. And this is not it's not investment advice. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber sharing my trading journey because I'm successful and maybe I can help you be successful. All right, this is once we get through here, this is our last sale. So you should be able to guess what our next step is. All right, well, hopefully that wasn't too difficult to figure out. It's time to buy. Like I said, we've got 13 equities to purchase, and this is where we make our money. We don't make money if we don't have anything to buy. All right, so we've got 13 stocks to purchase, and hopefully we will have enough money. We are probably going to pass on AutoZone, and I'll show you. You'll see the price when we get there, which is our next trade. This was AMD. AMD is a chip manufacturing company, competitor to NVIDIA, and here's AutoZone. So you see the price says $3,000, and we only have a little, right around $8,000 or $9,000. So we'll pass on AutoZone for now, and hopefully we have enough money to purchase it at the end of all the other purchases. So this is a Coinbase, C-O-I-N. This is a financial exchange for holding and selling and exchanging Bitcoin. Next one we're going to be doing is Delta Airlines, which is DAL. So out of the 135 stocks, I have a variety of companies throughout the broad spectrum of all of the indexes, or excuse me, not indexes. It's sectors, not indexes, like the S&P 500. Information technology, financials, healthcare, consumer discretionary, communication services, energy, consumer staples, materials. There are 11 sectors in total, and I've got, through my 135 long held stocks, I've got many companies in each sector. So I'm not overweight, and at least I don't think, I haven't actually looked, overweight in any one sector. Out of the myriad and long list of things I have to learn and the things I'm currently working on, I guess I will add that. I didn't even think about where my weighting is within the distribution of the sectors for all of my stocks. Guess I should see if I am overweight or underweight in any of the sectors. And this is McDonald's, and like McDonald's, trading is loving it. McDonald's is a nice steady stock. So this is Meta, or Facebook Meta. Probably going to be starting to put more volume purchases. Right now I only purchase one every time I purchase Meta. They should be having another huge run up possibly over the next year or so. They've just have signed a contract today to follow through with purchasing more Ray-Bans for their AI glasses. And Mark expects that his Ray-Ban glasses, will definitely outperform Apple's Google or Goggle glasses that came out a couple months ago. Mark has dumped with Meta like $60 billion into the development of these AI Ray-Ban glasses. But who wants to wear? I don't know if you've seen the AI goggles that Apple has, but if you had a choice, if they perform the same and they perform the same functions to the same quality, I think it's a clear winner what people would rather wear. The cool shades of Ray-Bans. So you'll see this is Tesla. I purchase a lot more Tesla than this. I have another one of my strategies that I day trade is some very high volume movers, stocks that move a lot throughout the day, Tesla being one, NVIDIA being another. Micro strategies, bookings holdings. So another one of my strategies that is to day trade a few stocks to be able to make a little bit greater profits than we do here, because the price swing is they can move $10 or $15 in one day. Like through my day trading strategy, I might purchase Tesla 100, 200, or 300 times throughout the day. I've got specific indicators set up for day trading that tries to capture prices when they're at a low point within a range, or a specific point of momentum, whether the momentum is going up or down. And that momentum might allow me to have 3 cents or 5 cents or 25 cents, sometimes $1, but most of the times it's a scalping strategy for those highly volatile stocks. So as you see, we were able to purchase AutoZone, and we'll have a little bit of money left over. So that was nice. There are many times after we make our sales, we actually don't have enough money to purchase all the stocks that actually were triggered. All right, so here is today's list of all the stocks that reach their buy or sell triggers. Please take time, make a note, make a picture, however you want to record this list. I may not be working with millions of dollars, but I am working with an ever-increasing portfolio, and that is beating most of the people who start trading in the markets. So if you are thinking about entering the markets, maybe my videos will help turn a little bit of money like this into this. And that's what it's going to take. It's going to take time and patience, but we all can do it. And I'm growing my portfolio from this. This is my wall of stocks. As I said in another video, the 135 stocks are comprised within that main block of yellow sticky notes that has the purple, the bright green, and the bright blue. This wall of stocks is all of the stocks that I've been using in the last 2 years to grow our portfolio. And here is my gains for today and cumulative for the week. And I want you to see these because the goal for me in this video is to gain your trust as a viewer. Thereby you'll watch my videos, you'll share my videos, you'll grow my channel, and not only myself but you and your friends and family and coworkers might all benefit from what I have here. If you like the video, please like and share this video with as many people that you can think of. Thank you very much and have an awesome day.